So, welcome to my vlog. I've actually already filmed videos, so you'll see that later. But welcome to my room tour vlog at the Intercontinental at Doral in Miami. And I'm going to show you the room tour, some of the hotel, and whatever else we get into. So, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Ooh, I sounded like a man. Okay, so here's our hotel, the the Intercontinental at Doral. Let me make sure I'm not going to get hit by a car.
They also have a restaurant.
Oh, there's a plane.
And room service here.
Remind me my flash is on, so I don't walk into the lobby with it on. You know what? They have free shuttles within a 3-mile radius. Apparently free cruise parking. There's a carol.
Spotted wild carol.
I didn't even know they had lemon water.
Okay.
Lemon water. Cool. Nope. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, we're getting 2 cups. Drinking lemon water because I'm healthy. I feel refreshed by lemon water.
Right? Am I thin yet? I'm
Beyonce. I give the free lemon water in the library. The library. I give the free lemon water in the lobby a 10 out of 10. Cheers.
say you need to start out here.
Well, I've already been vlogging, so I was like, might as well just do it here.
So we've got our cruise parking for the cruise. It is no cost to park your car here.
For
so
real?
It's going to be completely free.
And then we're just gonna Uber to the
And we'll
cruise port?
just Uber in the morning to the cruise port.
Oh my gosh, and it would have been like, what, $20 a day?
I think they say it's $22 a day now.
To park in a parking garage at the cruise port.
Mm-hmm.
Literally, we can leave it here the whole time?
Yes.
Oh my god.
And save $150 something.
Spa time!
Right. Spa
Bad and
time.
bougie. Balling on a budget. So anyway, we're just putting the parking pass in our car, apparently. And then I went out to the pool. So I vlogged the pool a little bit. There was people in there, so I wasn't gonna like go to the pool. But you know.
Was it nice out there?
Yeah.
I heard it's like a resort style pool, is it?
And they have like purple lights, so it's all, you know, bougie. So anyway, we're doing that, and then we're gonna go back to the room, and we've got to pack and get ready for tomorrow, and find some food somewhere. I don't know where. There's things here, but anyway, that's the update. Business center.
You missed the concierge.
Oh well, there's a concierge.
There's also a little shop.
Oh yeah. Little store. We're not going
It's like a little convenience store, snacks, and stuff like that.
things. Did you press the button?
I did.
Oh.
You should press it again to make sure it's really pressed. It's pressed. We're on the club floor. Free upgrade from Intercontinental.
We don't know why it just happened like that. Ooh.
Because we're balling on a budget.
Currently trying to decide where we're eating.
Who knows?
We look like we need to eat.
Right? It's a cruise trip though.
Why did I do that?
Because your tummy's always protruding from your mouth. Maybe you can fix your toenail before we go down to dinner.
My sandy nail. We're going to eat dinner in the hotel lounge because we're tired and we're not leaving again. Old Carol back there is pooping out on us.
She's dying to take her shoes off. She's had her feet down in sneakers all day and it's more than she can handle.
She's mad we won't take her to the lounge without shoes on. Currently pouting. So here we are. Yeah.
Are we live?
Yeah.
At the Blue Matisse?
Yes.
At the Intercontinental in Doral.
Carol's tired.
Everything looks amazing.
Is this your water?
Well, oxtail does not sound amazing.
I would like to try oxtail.
Ew. I got fish tacos, cute flakes, chicken,
Chipotle chicken salad.
And
And
the
the
Caesar
Caesar.
salad with grilled chicken. Looks pretty good.
do that thing where I practice eating on the vlog. Let's see. Oh no.
Hey, you see they drizzle the dressing and then around.
That's delicious. What?
She has to take a shower and she has to get in her robe.
I
Because she has to do a tribute tonight.
That's a whole... No, I
We'll
can't
go
do
to
it
the
yet.
store and get some Cheetos.
Okay, so dinner was really good.
Dinner at Blue Matisse was excellent.
I had fish tacos. Oh yeah, you saw them already. They were good. Not as good as the Caesar salad.
Caesar salad was amazing.
And her salad dressing was spicy, but she really liked it. So, anyway, that's the update. We're going to the room, getting the car key, running to the car, grabbing a rubbing alcohol wipe so I can fix my safety toe, hopefully. And then I have to do some self-care and shower and straighten my hair and
hopefully make this vlog.
make vlogs. Yes, hopefully this will go up tonight. Timestamp.
8:47. The elevator just dropped. It is 8:47.
It's 8:47 and I have to get up at 7:30 in the morning to get Dunkin' Donuts.
So that we can get ready and head to cruise port.
And
Because
get ready.
Really tried to tell me 12:30. That ain't happening.
So yeah, there's a lot to do. So anyway, I'm gonna close out the vlog here. So thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe.
More later.
And yeah.
Hit the like button.
We are in front of the window. Okay, so official room review for the Intercontinental at Doral in Miami. Go.
It was excellent. It was a great stay. You didn't hear the airplanes all the time like they always said you do on the reviews. Staff was friendly. Prices were good. Restaurant was good.
It was fire.
Beds were excellent, comfortable.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it an 11. You?
10 out of 10 for sure.
Jinjin?
Oh, definitely a 10 out of 10.
You heard it here first, folks. Stay here.